These are the settings you should change if you have installed iOS 27 on your main device. Also, I'll share some tips and tricks. So let's start the video. You can reduce the size of the clock even further and push it to the top. Just tap on the clock icon and then tap on the right clock option. It makes the wallpaper stand out. You can make the liquid glass more tinted or more clear because now we have a slider. This is how my home screen looks with more tinted option, and this is how it looks with the most clear option. Under settings, sounds and haptics, now we have separate volume sliders for ringtone, media and alarm. Now you will not surely miss your alarms. Go to apps, shortcuts, and now we have describe a shortcut option. And the UI looks like this. In Siri app, we can change the layout from list to grid. In Playground app, we have different styles like animation, illustration, sketch, Genmoji, and ChatGPT. We can change the color of new iOS 27 wallpaper. Tap on the color dot and choose your favorite color. We can also increase or decrease the contrast. When we copy an image, we can directly paste it just by tapping on the paste option. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.